Welcome back to Excellent Rides. I'm here with Zach today, over there. Getting back to work on the Trans Am today. Car looks quite a lot better than it did a week and a half ago, almost 2 weeks ago, when we moved it here and we power wash it. I mean, it's not perfect. It needs it needs a lot of soap and a lot of love. So, what the goal for today is, hopefully we're going to check the spark plugs. If we can, take out those fuel injectors and soak them in seafoam. And hopefully today we can finally actually get a socket and a breaker bar down on the crankshaft. All the way down there. So then we know for sure whether or not we use the Marvel Mystery Oil or we go back to O'Reilly's and return it.
Yes. And worry about possibly getting another engine.
Yeah, because if this thing's not seized, then we don't have to worry about that. And
they still haven't let me into that damn group, by the way. I checked everything.
They still haven't let you into the third gen fiber group?
I think they just don't like me. You claimed my car. Yes.
They think I'm you. Yes, this is now my Trans Am, and this is what we're doing with it. You can just keep the Buick. That's fine with me.
Leave my Buick alone. I got us here.
Yeah, I didn't say anything wrong with it. I said you can keep the Buick. I'll take the Trans Am.
We'll rip the engine out of it.
It's mine. It's mine. So you want to put the maybe not good engine in the Buick.
It'll be fine. Sure.
When the Buick runs fine. Brilliant. I love it. Also, I just want to point out, I do not have a whole lot of tools to my name. Between me and Zach, we only have so many brain cells when it comes to working on cars. So I went to Temu and bought these cheap tools for $80. 3/4 inch drive set, 1/2 inch sockets, the spark right here, the spark plug socket, and this 1/2 inch breaker bar that I thought would be a lot bigger than it is. So if they work, they work. I got cheap, decent tools. And then I also have these tools, which ironically I picked this up for $20 right before coming here because I said that's not going to cut it to try to see if the engine spins. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. Thanks to the Chinesium tools, we were able to remove. I put the bolts right there. Okay. I took off part of, I want to say, the air filter system because it goes into that. Oh, wow, it's got a screen on it. Because now I can actually, for the most part, I can't even really see it, access the crank bolt.
Okay.
Is this the right size one? Can I slip my hand out?
Now we struggle to figure out what size the crank bolt actually is.
If I could actually, oh, there we go. Okay, it's smaller than 20 millimeter, I can say that much.
Okay. Smaller than 20?
Well, fiddling around trying to find the right socket size for the crank, I suffered a little bit of a casualty on a finger. And I said, oh, if we got gloves, I'd love to put one on just so this way I could get my hand down there without really having to worry. So there's that.
Always wear protection, kids.
Come on.
Okay.
We got the right socket now. Now it's just all about.
We've managed to find the right socket, which is good.
Holy shit.
I will definitely say that ain't moving.
No. All right.
Yep.
Now we're on to the Marvel Mystery Oil and removing the spark plugs because that don't want to move.
Yeah,
at
no.
all.
Yeah, no.
So, yeah. Is that.
Okay.
Alright, I can take all the stuff out of my pocket now. There we go. Keys go on the ground.
There you go. As long as we don't lose them.
Oh, they're right there.
Or like a raccoon will come and steal them or something.
Come on, bite down. Is this even on there? Yes. Am I stupid? What is going on with this? Hold on. What the hell?
Oh no.
There we go. You tell me you're still not on properly? Do I seriously need to go and buy the right socket? We gotta go back to O'Reilly's, don't we? We gotta move it right. Nope. Come on. My fucking fuck. Oh, it's on there. Well, I'm stupid. Oh, I broke part of it off, so there's that.
Broke part of what off?
The spark plug.
Oh, so is it stuck inside the engine?
I don't know. It shouldn't be. Alright, we're back. After getting the 3/8 drive socket and ratchet set. We even went back from a third trip to O'Reilly's. So this way, I could get this swivel socket for spark plugs. For some reason, I can't get it on the spark plugs. And I know for a fact it's 16, which is equal to 5/8, which is what this is. For some reason, they don't want to come out. They're starting to think the engine realistically just needs to be pulled and just needs to be completely, well, at least semi-taken apart. Because I couldn't spin it. I'm having issues with the spark plugs. I snapped one because I'm dumb and went the wrong way because I get my lefts and rights mixed up sometimes. And that's my fault. But I don't know what's going on right now. Maybe I try a different one. I don't know. Alright, because we're having so much difficulty with the engine, which realistically we shouldn't be, but good lord, I realize I hate working on 80s vehicles because they have, all of that in the way. And the passenger side's even worse. So, yeah, there's that. This thing is, at least engine-wise, annoying to work on. I feel like you have to do spark plugs from the bottom up, but I could be wrong on that by a lot. I don't know. We're just going to work on doing the seats next. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do next time. Alright, we kind of have a little bit of an issue with the car. Yeah, it's tiring. I don't know what it is. I feel stupid or like I just don't have the right tools. But for whatever reason, I cannot for the life of me find the right socket that goes on the crank pulley. Last time it was a 16 millimeter. It went on and I couldn't budge it. And this time I go to put the same socket on and like I just slightly turned it counterclockwise instead of clockwise. And it's like the thing just like does not want to move at all, or it moved freely on the bolt, like it didn't bite at all, and I'm just completely lost. I'm under the Firebird currently. I found a rust hole, and for whatever reason, that's like rounded off. Gonna clean the inside of this thing out, ain't that right?
Oh yeah, she needs a little bath.
She needs a good bath.
Yeah.
So I just finished this sheet. It looks a hell of a lot better. Now basically it just needs to dry.
Compared to what I was sitting in.
Compared to that, which now that one's gonna be clean. This is gonna be pretty good. Even though we weren't able to do the rear seats today just because the shop vac that we found kind of doesn't work well. We cleaned the 2 front seats as of right now, and to help the smell, we grabbed a 6-pack of black ice and just put them all around the inside of the car. And oh my god, the smell difference is incredible. It went from horrible mold that I thought I was going to die from asbestos breathing in to overly strong deodorant. That helps because the mold smell was extremely overly strong. So there's that. And that'll do it for today.
Well, I want to end on our little friend.
Oh yeah, that's right. At O'Reilly's, I pointed out, hey look, there's a Knight Rider car. He just goes, oh, mine, and buys it.
Well, it's kind of similar.
It's decently similar. Both cars are the
different bumper.
Same.
You.
That's some sort of little panel.
The fuses, where are the fuses?
Oh, it goes right there. Yeah, don't.
Should we put the fuse panel back on?
Wouldn't be a terrible idea. Yeah. Should go just like
that. Is that the way? Oh, fucking crazy.
That should be how it goes.
I think it goes this way. Not too sure. Okay.
Yeah, no, it definitely goes that way.
Too large to fit.
We'll figure it out another time.
You go up there for now.
It's not bad. Dash isn't even that bad. It's somewhat cracked, but. You want to go for the money shot?
Oh, there?
Yeah, sure. Oh, yeah, that's a lot better than just trying to smooth out. Hold on. Let me see. Oh, this thing's got density to it. What is this rusty piece here?
I don't know. Ow.
Sorry.
Do I yank it off?
I'd say just take your finger and just push that stuff out.
Got it all?
No, most of it. There's some like under that piece. There you go. There you go. I don't even know what that piece is for. Oh, that's probably... Wait a minute. Oh, that's to hold your cigarette. That's what that's for.
You gotta be fucking...
It looks like it, because look at it. Look at that thing. You think
Oh my god.
Should I just finish breaking it off?
Sure. Can't be too important.
No. It's been liberated. Alright.